Welcome to On-Screen Learning. How to build a social support and inclusion within the fitness facility environment. What is inclusiveness? Inclusiveness is an act of dealing with the clients and customers within a fitness environment in such a way that they feel automatically welcomed within the gym or fitness premises. Inclusiveness is essential for developing a healthy environment where clients and customers can exercise with freedom. In an inclusive environment, anyone can exercise without any fear, worry, or insecurity. Accessible. Accessibility is considered to refer to the design of products, devices, services, assistance, or environments related to people with disabilities. Any exercise facility or service where customers and clients can comfortably approach or utilize it without problems physically is said to be accessible. Think of a gym where all the equipment and activities are on a floor where there is no means of access for someone with a disability. Would you consider this gym to be accessible? Inclusive is something more than accessible. Inclusivity is the state of mind where one feels comfortable and welcoming towards a particular location or service. A person needs to gain access to feel included. Inclusive gyms. The Inclusive Fitness Initiative, or IFI, has been founded for many years, helping leisure centers to evolve into a welcoming and accessible environment for those with disabilities. Facilities across the country have been awarded the IFI Mark accreditation. It helps leisure facilities to get more disabled people physically active. Through research, Inclusive Fitness Initiative reported that many disabled people would like to be more active. Conclusions in the Inclusive Fitness Initiative Lifestyle Report showed 70% of disabled people want to increase activity levels. There are many ways to enjoy an active lifestyle, including adapted sports for people with specific impairments, and inclusive sessions where disabled and non-disabled people can take part together. From the 1st of July 2017, Activity Alliance and Quest, the sport and leisure industry's leading quality scheme, are working together so more disabled people can enjoy active recreation. Achieving the IFI Mark Gym accreditation is vital in addressing inequality in physical activity as it enables leisure facilities to reach inactive populations and raise awareness of the benefits of exercise to get more disabled people physically active. Inclusive fitness supports reforms within facilities in the following elements: strategy, leadership, workforce development, accessible venue, policies and procedures, equipment, insight and marketing, partnerships and collaboration, programming and participation, impact and outcomes. What makes your fitness facility more inclusive? A fitness professional can make a fitness facility more inclusive by providing services that are easily accessible and actively welcome healthy people and people with different disabilities. Making a particular facility more inclusive is not just a matter of a few simple changes, but it requires a long-term commitment. A fitness professional must create an attractive environment, procure particular equipment types, and devise unique training plans and classes that attract people of all ages and abilities. All these must convey a positive message to those with certain limitations that they are warmly welcomed to a fitness environment. Tips for making an inclusive fitness facility. Attractive description. An attractive explanation of the fitness environment is essential for making an excellent first impression on clients. The description must include some phrases or pictures that welcome and attract people from different groups. Make sure the description is clear regarding what fitness environment has to offer to the clients and customers. Diversity in training programs. To make a fitness facility more inclusive, customers must know what to expect from the fitness facility and the trainers. Designing different training plans for special populations not only opens the door for people suffering from disabilities, obesity, or chronic diseases, but it also helps to expand the business. So, having diversity in training plans and services is very important for making a welcoming impression on different groups' clients. Welcoming environment. The fitness facility must have a welcoming and encouraging environment for healthy people and the people who belong to different races, body types, weights, age groups, and skills. Make sure you provide plenty of options to new participants so that they can exercise in a way that appears most appropriate to them. Considering physical or mental limitations is key to increasing the working facility's inclusiveness. Using inclusive words. Always try to use inclusive words like we, ours, us, and let's when it comes to coaching. It helps to create a team mentality and harmony between the participants. It also gives a welcoming gesture to disabled participants who usually feel isolated in such conditions. As a trainer, always focus on the effort rather than competition and try to help participants tuning into exercises' intrinsic rewards. Superficial or external motivation creates unnecessary competition, judgment, and isolation among group members, which is not suitable for an inclusive environment. Inclusiveness increases business. Globally, about 1.5 billion people are living with some disability. Among them, 13.9 million people live in the UK. They also want to live a better life and to do exercise like other able-bodied. But they can't do so because they have to face some social barriers that prevent them from joining a fitness facility. Therefore, it is imperative from both a business and a moral perspective that one should develop a culture of inclusion within the fitness facility. According to UNESCO's recent study, health and fitness clubs inclusive to people with different disabilities saw a 51% increase in their revenues during the recent years. Inclusiveness also increases the customer's loyalty to a particular fitness facility, which, in return, is good for business.